Alright, so in this video we are going to do just a bunch of layering all over. We're going to layer the bangs, we're going to layer the front, we're going to layer the interior, we're going to layer the back. We're just going to layer everything in this haircut. So, by the time we're all said and done, this haircut's going to be light, it's going to be fluffy, it's going to have a lot of natural volume because we will have gone through and removed a bunch of weight just simply by layering everything. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm doing is I am establishing the outline, I'm establishing the length. Basically, I've got a center section down the middle of the back, two A-line sections on each side, combing the hair straight down and establishing my new outline. Once I have completed cutting in this outline, I will then start to do the frame the face layers, which will eventually blend into the bangs / fringe, which I will layer as well, and then we will layer the entire interior. Alright, so it is now time to do the frame the face layering. Now keep in mind the frame the face layering in this case are going to go right up into the bangs / fringe, depending on where you live. If you're in England, you call it fringe. If you're here in America, we call it bangs. So depending on where you are, these frame the face layers are going to go right into the bangs. Now a lot of frame the face layers do not go up into the bangs. They might start at an individual's lip, or they might start at the cheekbone, or they might start at the jawline, and there'll be a disconnection between that layer and the bangs. In this particular case, we are going to take the frame the face layering all the way up to the bangs, and then of course we're going to layer the bangs, and so that is what's going to make this haircut completely layered all the way around. It is now time to execute the interior layers of this haircut. So as you can see, I've got a center section in the middle back. I'm combing the hair straight back, holding my fingers in a square-like manner, but right here, I start to lift the layer and round the layer. I'm going to do some rounder layers versus square layers because we want to remove more hair and we want to make the hair even lighter, which is why I'm going to do more lifting and more rounding so that we take the layers a little bit shorter so that they are a little bit lighter. Again, we're going for maximum volume, fullness, lightness, fluffiness, name it, we're going for it in this particular haircut with a lot of layering. So as we've already discussed, depending on where you live, you call it the fringe or you call it the bangs. Well, we are at that part right now of the haircut where we're cutting the fringe or cutting the bangs. So I'm simply just holding the hair in my comb and then using my scissors to cut the bangs. Now, we're going to pick the bangs up, and then after we take the bangs up, we're going to layer the bangs even a little bit more. So I'm going to first establish the outline, and then I will address the layering. Alright, so one of the things that I like to do is I like to grab all of the frame the face layers, scoop them into the comb like so, then hold the comb and then just go through and really clean up those layers. Really clean up that outline of the frame of the face layers. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments in regards to any of the layering that we did, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.